What is the value of the expression 24 minus 9 times open parenthesis 12 minus 6 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's dive in and crush it together. And the first step, most people perform the subtraction between 24 and 9, which I have highlighted in blue. So, this expression simplifies to 15 multiplied by 12 minus 6 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they calculate 12 minus 6 inside the parentheses, which becomes 15 multiplied by 6. And finally, the value of this expression must be equal to 90. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because they have the highest priority than the other operations. So, we can write this expression as 24 minus 9 multiplied by 6. And the next step, we move on to the multiplication between 9 and 6, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we write this expression as 24 minus 54, which finally gives us the answer negative 30.